Types of phrasal verbs: separable and inseparable. Number 1, separable phrasal verb or separable phrasal verb. What is a separable phrasal verb? A separable phrasal verb is the one that can be used separately. That is, a separable phrasal verb can be separated with a noun or pronoun. Now, you need to remember 2 rules about the separable phrasal verb. Rule 1. If a separable phrasal verb is separated with a noun, you may either separate it or not. Examples. Number 1, this is correct. Why did you bring up the situation? Why did you bring up the situation? Not separated. Bring up the situation is not separated. Number 2, this is correct. Why did you bring the situation up? Why did you bring the situation up? This time, it is separated. Rule 2. If a separable phrasal verb is separated by a personal pronoun, you must separate it. Examples. Correct. You need to pick him up. You need to pick him up. It's separated. This is wrong. You need to pick up him. You need to pick up him. Not separated. List of common separate phrasal verbs. Call off. We need to call the meeting off. Call off. We need to call the meeting off. Call up. He made sure to call me up. Call up. He made sure to call me up. Pick up. Pick it up and put it in the bag. Pick it up and put it in the bag. Drop off. She will drop him off on her way to gym. She will drop him off on her way to gym. Bring up. Why did you bring it up? Bring up. Why did you bring it up? Hand in. Make sure that you hand your assignment in. Hand in. Make sure that you hand your assignment in. Fill in. You need to fill a form in. Fill in. You need to fill a form in. Put on. I need to put my shirt on. Put on. I need to put my shirt on. Turn down. He decided to turn the job down. Turn down.